Hello, good morning everyone. Yesterday we already finished 3 questions of second exercise of 12th chapter. So today we are start from the fourth questions. So read everyone. Fourth question. What is 12.2? The fourth question is a triangle and a parallelogram. A triangle and a parallelogram have same base and same area. A triangle given and a parallelogram both has a same base. Same base means it is the base of triangle. The base of parallelogram like this one. So it is a parallelogram. Both of triangle and parallelogram have same base. It is base. Understand? Has same base if the sides of a triangle are 26, 28 and 30 and the parallelogram stand on the base 28. It means if parallelogram is stand on 28, so it means it is the base of the parallelogram. Stand on side of 28 centimeter. Other two side of triangle are 26 centimeter and next is 28 centimeter. So two things are given. The triangle and parallelogram has same base. What is base? Suppose A, B, C. Base of triangle BC. Base of a parallelogram is also BC. So now the parallelogram stand on the base 28. Find the height of the triangle. Find the height of parallelogram. Yes, parallelogram. If you want to find height of a parallelogram, first thing, what is parallelogram? An quadrilateral whose opposite side are equal and parallel. Equal and parallel. Yes, we want to find height. So height means we will draw like this one 90 degree. And area of parallelogram, base into height is always area of parallelogram. So it means it is base, so and we want to find height. So suppose it is height, we will draw from here 90 degree. Because height is always shortest distance between two lines, 90 degree. Understand? So it means, and one more thing is given, area of parallelogram and area of a triangle are same. So it means first we will find the area of triangle and it is the also area of parallelogram. So first we will find the area of triangle. So I will write perimeter of triangle. What is perimeter of triangle? Sum of all three sides. 26 plus 28 plus 28. How much? 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. How much? 28, 48, 82 centimeter. Understand? Next, again, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 8, 22 plus 8. Understand? Next, if we want to find area of a triangle, we have two formula. Area of a triangle by Hero's formula, or second, 1 by 2 base into height. Base is given but height we don't know. This means we will use Hero's formula. In Hero's formula we need S. S is semi-perimeter. Is how much? 41 centimeter. To find by Hero's formula, what is Hero's formula? Under the root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Understand? So we will find area of triangle now. Now area of triangle. S is how much? 41. Yes. S minus A. 41 minus first side 28. 41 minus 28 second side. Third is 41 minus 26 third side. Now area of triangle, what is 41? 41 minus 28, 13, 13, and it is 15. Yes, square root of 13 into 13, square root under the 13, it is remain 13. So what is remain? 41 multiplication 15. Understand? Next is yes, sorry, 1 minute. In our question, side are given 26, 28 and 30. 30, sorry, it is 30. So now we will add 30. 30. Everything is changed now. 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6, 14. 3 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Understand? So this one 8 plus 6, 14. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 84. It is become 84. It is become 42. In place of 41, 42, 42, 42, 42. It is become 42, 14, 14, it is 16. Now, square root of 14 into 14 become, yes, under the root a into a is always a. So 14 into 14, 14, under the root. Yes, 42 and 16, we will write in pairs. Yes, 42. Square root of 16. Square root of 16, 4. So 4 into 14 and under the root 14. Understand? So next, what we can write? 4 into 56 under the root 42. We write 2. The square root of 42. We can write 2 into 3 into 7 as it is. So what is 56 multiply 40? Understand? And its area centimeter square. Understand? But we want to find what is height of parallelogram. Yes. And what is given in question? Area of a triangle and area of parallelogram are same. So it means area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram. What is formula? Base into height. Base how much? 28. And height we want to find. And it is area and it is also area. Yes. Because in question area of a triangle and area of a parallelogram both are equal. So area of parallelogram base into height and area of parallelogram already defined. This one. So it is h equal to 56 under the root 42 divided 28 cut by 2. So what is height? Height is 2 into under the root 4 to 2 multiplication under the root 42. Understand? So this is the fourth question. In this question, already given the area of a triangle and area of parallelogram both are same, and triangle and parallelogram on same base 28, and find the height of parallelogram. I will find height. We know in a area of parallelogram base into height and find its area. Note down it. Next question, fifth question. A rhombus shaped field has green grass. Rhombus mean a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal. Rhombus and square. Rhombus, there are 5 different quadrilaters. We already studied in 8th class. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium. And rhombus mean a quadrilateral whose all 4 sides are equal. What is given? A rhombus shape. A rhombus shaped grass green field. Grass for 18 cows for graze. If each side of rhombus, how much? 30. It is also 30. It is also 30, 30. Next is, and its diagonal. Its longer diagonal. It's have two diagonal. The longer diagonal is 48. 48 meter. Now we have to find how much area of grass field will each cow. Field area of, where is the grass? Grass is here in area. So cows are grazing here in the field. And how many cows are grazing in this area? 18 cows. And we have to find how much area one cow is grazing. How much area? So first we find the area of rhombus. So what is area of rhombus? A, B, C, D. So how can we find the area of rhombus? Area of rhombus formula we already know. In 8th class we already know. What is 1 by 2? What is the area of rhombus? 1 by 2. Area of rhombus is D1 into D2. 1 by 2 D1 into D2. Area of rhombus. But here is only given only one diagonal. So we cannot use this one. So how will we find? Now 30, 30, 48. 30, 30, 48. Both of the triangle have same sides. So we will find the area of one triangle and multiply by 2 times. It is become area of rhombus. So we will write, let A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Understand? So first we will find area. So area of triangle. Area of a triangle AB. Area of a triangle ABC. How will you find? First we will find S, semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, sum of all three sides divided by 2. How much remain? How much become? 8, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, divided by 2. How much? 54 centimeter. So what is perimeter of a one triangle? 54 centimeter. So we will find the area of triangle. Formula, hero's formula, S minus first side, S minus second side, S minus third side. So we will find area of triangle is S. How much? 54. 54 minus 48 first side. 54 minus 30. 54 minus 30. So area of triangle So area of a triangle. So we will write area of triangle. Area of a triangle is under the root 54. 54 minus 48, 6. 54 minus 30, 24 into 24. So area of triangle is 24 into 24 in pair. So 24 come outside. So what is remain? 6. 54 what we can write? 9 into 6. So what is become? 24. 6 into 6. 6 and the square root of 9 is 3. So what is the area of triangle? So 24 into 6, 144 into 3. How much become? 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 3, 12 plus 12 plus 1, 13. 3 into 1, 4. So centimeter square. So how much area of the one triangle ABC? 432. So we will find area of rhombus. How will you find? 2 times, how many triangle? 2 triangle. Both of the triangle have same sides. So it means 2 into area of triangle ABC. 2 multiply area of triangle ABC. So 2 multiplication 400 32. What is answer? So 2, 4, 6, 8. So how much area from us? 864. So we will find. Yes. But in this field, it is rhombus. In this field, how many cows are grazing? 18. But we want to find area of how much area is grazed by one cow. And this area is grazed by 18 cows. So how will we find? We know, suppose cost of 5 pen is 30. Cost of 1 pen, 30 divided by 5. Same as it is, right? So area grazed by one cow. How much? 864 divided by 18. Because total area is grazed by 18 cows. So 18 for the 72. 18 for the 72. How much remain? 14. 18. 8 ja. I think it is given in meter. Yes, meter. So it is meter square. So how much area grazed by one cow? 48 meter square. Understand? Note down it. Question number 6. Read everyone question number 6. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces. An umbrella is making. It is umbrella like umbrella. An umbrella is made by. An umbrella is made by 10 stitching. How much? 10 stitching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this one, a umbrella is made by 10 stitching, and we can see every stitching in shape of a triangle. It's made by triangle, and we know they are the different color. Yes, suppose first color, next. So it means they are different. They are two colors. One is this one lining, and second is plain. So different two color. Total is 10 stitches. How much? 10 stitches. It means 5 are of the one color and 5 of the other color. So total 10 stitching like this one. And every stitching is shape of is a triangle. So read everyone. So read everyone. Total how much stitching? 10 stitching. An umbrella is made by 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors, each piece measuring. Each piece. How many pieces? 10 pieces. So each piece is shape of triangular. Each piece is measuring how much? 20, 50 and 50 centimeter. Now we have to find how much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella. Yes, it is the cloth. So we use this cloth or not? What is the cloth? So we use the cloth of its perimeter or area. So we need the area of a cloth. And how many stitching? 10 stitching. So it means 5 of lining and 5 are plains. Understand or not? And we have to find how much area of each color. So how much color? Two types of color, and each color has 5 stitching. So first we will find area of one piece of paper. One stitching. Understand? So we will write first perimeter of one stitching. How much? Perimeter 50 plus 50 plus 20. How much? 120 centimeter. Now S we will find. S how will we find? Perimeter divided by 2. How much? 60 centimeter. And we want to find how much area of each color. We know how much area of each color. We know in two color there are the two different color, and every colors have 5 stitching. So first we will find the area of one stitching and multiply by 5. Very good. So find area of one triangular piece. Everyone know area of Hero's formula: S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So area how will you find? So this one area S 60 minus first side minus second side and third side, and 60 minus third side. Now 60 into 10 into 10 into 40. Yes. What we can write? 10 into 10 is 10 into 10 pairs. It is come outside. Now inside what is remain? 60 we can write 4 into 60 we can write 6 into 10, and 40 we can write 10 into 4. Again 10 into 10 again pair come outside. So 10 multiply 10 under the root 6 we can write 2 into 3, 2 into 2, again 2 into 2, again pair 2 and 2 pair square. Otherwise you can write direct. If you want to write 10 into 10 again I'll come outside, square root of 4 2 and square root of 6. Now what is remain? It is become 10 into 10 100, 200 centimeter. It is the area of one triangular pieces. But in each color how many triangular pieces? 5 triangular. So how much area? So we write total area of 5 triangular pieces of 2 different color stitching. How much? 5 multiply 200, because area of one, cost of one pencil 5 rupees, cost of 2 pencil 2 into 5. The same as it is area of 5 stitching, 5 multiply this one. So it means total area of lining stitching 1000 into root 6 centimeter square, and area of 5 stitching plain 1000 into root 6. So everyone try all question 7, 8, 9 also, and its example also we will try yourself. Understand everyone? And note down it. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day and good day.